around Hollywood. Let's see what all messaging box or alert boxes and things like that in Python. So the library that I love to use always to make cool messaging. There's many types of messaging box that we will look over in this video. So first of all, I will need to make a new directory and open it. So here it is. I will make a new directory called test and just open this test. Okay, so little go delete it, it opens this. So what this will close it a little. We'll just select my coding. So coding test good. I will select and we will just create the main.py. Then the library that we will use to make the messaging boxes in the a part of TK Intel. So TK Intel is something already installed. So when you install the Python package, so you don't have to worry about installing it. So you will do it by just saying then from TK Intel import, then we will import something called message box. Okay. It is. Then I want the whole TK Inter import all, and let's just make a simple app. So root it will be equal to TK, and all of this code will be down below on a GitHub thing. Root TK, then we set a title. So the title, and I will just give it the title of that. Okay. Then make it a main.loop. Loop. Okay, so that main loop. So now when we I spelled something wrong. So now little we have this empty TK messaging box. I want to like button, and when we click on it, it's so yellow. So let's do this really fast. So button, put it inside of loop, text equal to anything, for example, click me. Then I will add a command, and this command will be equal to box, which will we create, and I will just pass it. Okay. Then add this the box and leave it the path. No. Okay, so path. Now little the click me, nothing happens. So before we continue, let us see what are the available boxes or messaging boxes in the TK Intel messaging box. The first one is the info, which is like this, blah now. So it's like just this. Then here, there's the icon of this, and here the title, over here. This is the some text we will custom we will write, and this is the first box, which is the info. The other one is something like it, but it's an alert box, which is the same idea. So here it is, here it is, and here's an alert. And there's also a button called OK or I think, and it is another thing too. So this is just it, but there's many. So let's start. So how to make the info box? So we will just say messagebox.info dot. Then like you can see there's many things. There are warnings, so warning, things like that. And what we want is the show underscore info. And this is the info. The first one will be the title, so it will be test slash info, for example. Then the message, so this is a custom message you can write. I will just write this is an info box made by Python, for example. And this is so the info. So I will just comment. Okay. Then so it is. So now when we run it, yeah, because it's still running here. So now when we click here, you can see this cool info box, which just have to blink it up. And it is. So this is it. So this is the first thing. So and like you can see there's an OK button and click me, it opens and closes, and you can hear its sound. Okay. So this is the show. Another one is warning, which just tells me there's a warning of anything. So warning, which is just the same. So I will just call it text slash warning, for example, or the title. Then this is a warning box made by Python, for example. So this is how we saw a warning. Let's just test it out. So here it is. Click me, and there's this. And like you can see, it is just the same. But if you notice, the icon change from this icon in a blue circle to this cool icon. And this is just the difference. So it is the same thing, but the icon is changed, and the icon is important for which type of message box you want to use. Okay. And the other one is this. So I will just comment this. What we want to do now is an alert. And what is an alert? So info is to give some info, warning to show a warning, and LL is Lily and Ellen. So I will just call the message box, then show LL. Then it is the same, so press alert, the title you want to give, then here this is a warning, and don't forget this comment. And if you want to put a variable in any of this, you can just add a variable. I just use strings, but you can add variables if you want. So now we'll get it closed since we don't. Yeah, so now click me, and this is the warning. So like you can see now, the icon for it is this X. So now we have three things. We have info, warning, and alert. Okay, so what if we just want yes or no button or like answer? So let's just say yes or no. So add yes or no. Okay. Or no. Okay. And how to do that? We will just call message box dot ask yes or yes no okay. Yes no. And inside this yes no actually the same thing. So I will just copy these things. Just call it method, and this is the ask yes or no. Okay, so now when we play it, click me. Also, let's delete the old one. So when it is, it will say message or whatever we put there, and you can say yes, and something can happen. Okay, so how to say like if yes, do something, but no, something like quit, okay, something like that. So we will just add this to a variable. So m equal to this, then we will make an fm, just this. Okay, then I want it if we click on yes, it will print true. So print true other. Other than that, so on else, we wanted to print false, then we wanted to quit, so root dot quit, which will destroy the app. So now, when we close them and run it, click me, it will say that. If we click on yes, it will say true. If we click on it again and say no, it will return false and quit. And this is how you can use yes. Okay, so this is how you can ask yes or no. Okay, so we'll just put those that over here. You can always select them. Also, so I will just make them a comment. So it doesn't affect the code, but this is how you can use them to make things like that. There's still few other that I want to take over. So the other one is yes or no or cancel, which is actually thing actually, but no one uses it anymore. So message box dot ask yes no cancel. Wait, ask yes no cancel, and just over here we will add our things. So I will just take this and just no or cancel. So this is it. Let's just try it out. So now I will just open it, little, click me. And like you can see now, there's yes, you can click on it, which is default, there's no, which you can click on it, and there's cancel. And actually, what is nice about message box is that you can actually move them with your mouse. I mean, with your keyboard, which is nice, I think. So this is how you make the yes, no answer. So I will just commit. Then the other one is the weirdest but I love, which is an entry. So you can enter something there and you can print it out. So V equal to B message dot input. Sorry, not dot ask question. And we will still add our thing. So ask question. So here we'll just say this to be a question. That's it. Then we wanted to print it out. So print V. So let's see. So now when we run it, it will say this. Okay, so this is the incorrect, but so this is just something like yes or no. The same thing. So they like to make many things the same. So what we can use for this is there's there's no thing for this, but this is just all the things that we saw. And if you like this video, please subscribe. And if you want the entry, I will see if what I can make, but let's leave like below if you still want to. Bye bye.